Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, you're welcome and I hope you stay. So today I have another review for you and I'm talking about the Nivea Aloe Vera Body Lotion. This is a hydrating body lotion and it says it's a 48-hour hydrating body lotion. You stay fresh and hydrated for 48 hours. That is if you don't shower every day. Okay, now obviously I got this because it contains aloe vera gel. If you know me, you know I love aloe vera gel. Anything that contains aloe vera gel attracts me, be it soap, skin cream, facial cream. I love the fact that, aloe vera is very hydrating, it's very great for skin and giving you that natural, fresh, hydrating feel. Now, this is a 250 ml and obviously it's for the skin and not the face. This is for normal or dry skin. Obviously, yes. I mean, aloe vera is great for those of you with dry skin. It hydrates your skin, but does not leave it greasy. Okay. Now, this set, it contains aloe vera gel from, natural sources. I don't know how true it is, but, basically it contains fresh, natural aloe vera gel. This says is a hydrating serum, okay? I don't know. Yeah, it says it's a hydrating serum, is very intensive. Now, if you know Nivea, you know they always tell you how rich or how light a cream is. This is number 1 out of the 5. So this is super light, this is super watery, and this is super hydrating. Obviously, this is good for the day, especially during the summer when you don't want to feel greasy. Now, one thing about Nivea is that your skin, care smells so good. This smells so good. The smell is very pleasant. It's not pungent. It's not suffocating. It's calm. It's, kind of relaxing and is acceptable. It's acceptable. Now, as you can see, it said it's very super light. You can see that it's watery, super watery. And I love this on my body. When it comes to my body, I don't usually love, you see, how it's absorbed into my skin without rubbing it vigorously. It's absorbs very fast, very easy. You see, it's absorbed. It doesn't leave your skin greasy, but it hydrates your skin. So is this a good lotion? Is it not? This costs about €5, okay? Obviously, it costs less than the one with the Q10 and vitamin C, but this costs more than the, the classic Nivea hydrating lotion, the one with the blue and the light blue design. Yeah, so it's okay for an everyday cream. Now, I must say, talking about hydration is really hydrates your skin. It hydrates your skin, it walks the talk, it smells good. It's an everyday cream, nothing really special. I'm not, I can't say if you use it for maybe a week or a month, you are going to see some improvement, like some treatment or something. No, it doesn't treat the skin like the Q10 and vitamin C. This is just a hydrating lotion. It's one of the greatest from Nivea, the one with, this one with aloe vera gel. Talking about hydrating lotions or creams from Nivea, this is one of the top. You really feel hydrated without that greasy feel. This comes in handy when it's summer, when it's warm, when it's hot. You are going to be hydrated, moisturized, but it wouldn't make you greasy and oily and shiny. You know how uncomfortable that is when the weather is warm, but you are, oily and feel like you are frying. This is great. But when it comes to, the colder seasons, this is not the best for you. Now you can use this when it's cold, but you have to mix it with some butter, some oil to, trap in the moisture. After one application, you can feel that, your skin is hydrated and moisturized. Your skin feels softer. This I must say, your skin feels softer after you use this. Now, if you want an everyday skin lotion, something to use every day, nothing special, don't expect any treatment, don't expect any great elasticity, do not expect anything special. This is an everyday skin lotion and not a treatment. It is a great lotion. I like to use it for, my mixtures. I mix it with my butters and oils, especially when it's colder. I use it as a base to mix up, those natural organic butters, which have, that pungent, that smell, which is not really, really pleasant, like cocoa butter, shea butter, mango butter. Yeah, this great smell covers it up and it hydrates my skin. So yeah, I like to use it as a base for mixing up my butters and oils. So basically that is it. It is a good lotion for every day. Smells good. You will love it. You will love the smell. It's super feminine and it's hydrating, but it doesn't give you any, treatments. It doesn't treat your skin in any way, as it says. So I must say, when it comes to hydration, I'm going to give this an 8 out of a 10. And that is great. It's a good mark. It hydrates very well, it smells good, and it lasts, the whole day. If you have to step out and do stuff, it's going to last the whole day. But as you can see, this is so watery. So if you buy this 250 ml, don't expect it to last even a month. If you're somebody who showers every day and use your lotion once or twice a day, it will not last because you run out so fast. They have the 500 ml, I guess 500 or 400. You can check it out. That is more and you're going to save some money. But hey, this bottle is not going to last as the thicker or the richer ones do last. So yes, I am definitely going to get it again because it's a cheapie. You can find it anywhere and it smells good. Above all, it smells good. Okay, so this is it. What do you think? Have you ever used this Nivea Hydrating Lotion with aloe vera gel? If yes, how did you find it? Was it good? Was it not? Are you going to get it again? Let me find out in the comment section. If you've not subscribed, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to share this with family and friends. And don't forget to leave me that big fat thumbs up. Until next time, I am going to see you again with another nice and interesting one. Bye bye.